The National Institute of Animal Nutrition Physiology Bangalore is an ISO 9001-2015 certified institute under the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. We are mandated to conduct basic and fundamental research in animal nutrition and physiology. Climate change is also an important area of research. We are studying the emission of greenhouse gases, especially methane emission from the Indian livestock, not only to conserve the environment but also to improve the profitability of the livestock farmers. There are various sources emitting greenhouse gases that damage the atmosphere through global warming. Industries, deforestation, transportation, biomass burning, rice cultivation and livestock are major anthropogenic sources of greenhouse gas emission. Rice cultivation is one of the major sources of methane emission from the agriculture sector, where methane is produced due to the continuous stagnation of water in the paddy field. Livestock production also held accountable for a large emission of methane produced from the enteric fermentation and manure or the dung. More than 90% of the methane is produced during the feed fermentation inside the rumen. The worldwide livestock produce about 80 to 90 teragram of methane due to enteric fermentation only. However, there is a large variation in the enteric methane emission figure from the livestock in India. The National Institute of Animal Nutrition Physiology Bangalore has generated the primary data on methane production potential by analyzing more than 1500 feed ingredients and diet combinations. We have developed a precise national inventory for the state-wise enteric emission from Indian livestock. Our estimate revealed an annual emission of 9.253 teragram enteric methane from the livestock. We have also identified the hotspots of methane emission, which contribute around 65% of the total enteric methane in the country. Based on a series of comprehensive and systematic in vitro and in vivo studies, we have developed a few farmer-friendly methane ameliorative products. Harit Dara is one of them. Harit Dara is an anti-methanogenic product formulated with phyto sources abundantly available throughout the country. This product effectively reduces the daily enteric methane emission up to 20% without any adverse impact on the host animal. The institute has filed a patent for the product Harit Dara. Another product developed by this institute is Tamarin Plus, which is a complete feed block formulated with the tamarind seed husk as major anti-methanogenic component. Tamarind seed husk is considered as agriculture waste and is abundantly available in the country. We have been recently granted an Indian patent for the tamarind seed husk to reduce methane emission. NANP has also tested an unconventional silkworm pupae oil for its impact on the methane emission. Studies conducted in large and small ruminants established that the oil supplementation at 2% of the diet can significantly reduce the methane emission. We have undertaken the third-party evaluation of our anti-methanogenic products.
Harit Dara, anti-methanogenic product developed by NINP Bangalore as an ameliorative measure for reducing the methane emission. At biopsy condition, we have tested this Harit Dara product on buffalo cows and we have found that it is very effective in reducing the methane emission into the field conditions.